John Martiello, and this is the 2-Minute Drill. Today's topic, summer book studies. Let's start the clock. So many of us are ending our school year, and you've worked really hard, and we're looking forward to relaxing, but you know what? Our job is never done. We also want to make sure that we are developing and growing as an educator, so we're going to select a just right book that matches our passions and interests. One that's going to help us to grow and benefit our students next year. So here's what you can do. You could search a book on Google. Search for top 50 educator books, or top 50 books by teachers, or top 10 books by teachers. You could also go on Amazon and see what's trending there as far as educational books. You may also want to talk to some friends who may want to make some recommendations for you so that you can go ahead and, again, explore those passions and interests. After you've selected a book, get on Twitter. Get on Twitter! There's a community of learners who are out there waiting to talk with you, especially the authors. So you've selected a book, go find the author on Twitter. See what kind of hashtags they use to support their community of learners. You can post things like your ideas on what you want to do the next school year as you're reading the book. The other thing you might want to do is interact with the author. They're going to give you feedback, and they want to talk with you. They want to promote their books. They also want to make sure that you're getting the best experience while you're reading. While you're communicating with the author, you're going to be talking with their community. When you start using that hashtag, all those people who are part of that community who have the same passions and interests are going to be talking to you as well. Run your ideas by them. Strike those partnerships this summer so that as the school year starts, you're going to be ready to develop that partnership. Run those ideas by other people. Tell them about challenges you're facing. They may have the same challenges. What are the solutions? You're going to strike that partnership, and you're going to be able to move forward together, because that's what a community of learners does. They help each other move forward. So, 1, select that book. 2, get on Twitter. 3, follow that author. 4, strike those partnerships with other educators and move forward and have the best year yet. Take care.